Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the HCF of four numbers using long division method. In the long division method, for finding the HCF of four numbers, the first step is to divide a bigger number by a smaller number. So let us divide 36 by 24. So let us divide 36 by 24. 24 times 1 is 24. Subtract the two numbers. 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 12 is the remainder. Now this remainder, which is 12, will be the divisor, and the new dividend will be the previous divisor, which is 24. So 24 divided by 12. 12 times 2 is 24. And remainder is 0. We got the remainder as 0. That means 12 is the HCF of 36 and 24. So this is the HCF of 24 and 36. So let's write it. HCF of 24 and 36 is 12. So we got the HCF of two numbers. Now the next step is to divide third number by the HCF of these two numbers. So let us divide 60 by 12. So 60 divided by 12. 12 times 5 is 60. So we got the remainder as 0. That means 12 is the HCF of 60 and 12. So HCF of 60 and 12 is 12. Now our next step is to divide the fourth number by the HCF of these two numbers, which is 12. So divide 84 by 12. So 84 divided by 12. 12 times 7 is 84. Subtract the two numbers. We got the remainder as 0. That means 12 is the HCF of 84 and 12. Here HCF of 84 and 12 is 12. Now we see that all the four numbers are divided and the HCF of all the numbers is 12. So our final answer will be the HCF of 24, 36, 60 and 84 is 12. This is our final answer. So this is how we find the HCF of four numbers using long division method. We keep on dividing the smaller number by the bigger number until we get the remainder as 0. When we get the HCF of two numbers, we use that number and find the HCF of that number with the third number and fourth number. And this is how we find the HCF of all the four numbers. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.